In today's video, let me show you how to use the Affirm card at stores. If you're trying to use the Affirm card at stores, first of all you need to do is within the application, tap on the Get My Affirm card. If you want a permanent card, tap on the first option. You can also see the second option which says continue with a one-time use card. So depending upon your users, you can select one of these options. In the next step, you'll need to add in the total cost of your items that you purchase, including taxes, to get approvals. Once that is complete, in the next step you need to select a plan, whether it be for interest-free payments, or you can also choose the monthly installments depending upon what you want, and then you need to add in your payments. Once the payment has been added, you'll be able to see the balance being displayed on the top. And if you want to pay in store, you'll need to first of all add this to your Google Wallet or your Apple Wallet. You can tap on this option, the option that is being visible. You can just tap on this option and then you can just tap to pay as you normally do. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow in order to use Affirm card at stores. If this kind of video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.